Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where future-ready machines meet smart riding choices. Today's video dives into the 2026 Bajaj Platina, a motorcycle that continues its legacy of comfort, mileage, and reliability now with a fresh layer of innovation for 2026. For years, the Platina series has been a favorite among daily riders, known for its incredible fuel efficiency and low maintenance. The 2026 model marks a major leap forward, enhancing everything riders already loved. Bajaj has focused on refined engineering, improved durability, and a smoother riding experience tailored for long city commutes as well as rural roads. At the heart of the 2026 Platina is a newly refined 110 cubic centimeters DTSA engine delivering improved combustion efficiency and reduced vibration. This results in a smoother ride at both low and high speeds. The engine has been tuned for better pickup in traffic, ensuring quicker response when needed. The updated gearbox offers seamless shifts, making daily commuting more stress-free than ever. Mileage remains the Platina's strongest identity, and the 2026 model continues to dominate. With enhanced fuel mapping, low-friction components, and smart eco-sensor technology, the bike is expected to deliver exceptional mileage, solidifying its position as one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in its segment. This makes it ideal for riders who want long-distance capability without frequent fuel stops. Comfort has always defined the Platina, and 2026 brings it to new heights. The bike now features an upgraded comfort seat, improved suspension tuning, and enhanced shock absorption suitable for rough terrain. The riding posture remains upright, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The advanced ComfortTech system makes each journey smoother, whether on city potholes or village track. The 2026 Bajaj Platina adopts a refreshed modern design with sleek body panels, premium graphics, and a more aerodynamic stance. A brighter LED DRL, refined headlamp, and sharper tail lamp setup add a modern touch. The digital analog cluster provides essential riding information with improved clarity. Additional practical updates like wider tires and enhanced braking confidence make it safer and more stable. The Platina has always been celebrated for its low running costs, and Bajaj continues this tradition in 2026. The new components are built for long-term durability, and the service intervals have been optimized to minimize workshop visits. This model aims to give riders peace of mind with years of hassle-free ownership. With its upgraded performance, strong mileage figures, and practical features, the 2026 Bajaj Platina remains a top choice for everyday commuters. It delivers everything riders need: efficiency, comfort, reliability, and value. Bajaj has successfully blended modern improvements with the classic qualities that made the Platina so popular. This was a complete look at the 2026 Bajaj Platina. For more future motorcycle updates and reviews, keep watching Bike Shift.